I'm Michael from Motherwell Accountancy. We're an accountancy practice based in the north of England. We specialise in helping business owners make their businesses work for them. We know you found this course because you want to save time, money or both. You've probably already reached the point where you're ready to move to the next stage of your business development, but you've got certain factors holding you back. Your account shouldn't be one of those. We've been using QuickBooks in our customers' businesses for over 2 years. We're a QuickBooks Platinum partner. We have over 100 customers using the software. We've seen firsthand the benefits it has. It saves time over existing packages out there with the apps and automation it uses. One of our customers is saving 5 hours per week on his bookkeeping. Using these tools, you can delve into your figures and spot inefficiencies. We've helped one of our customers increase their net profit by 53% by spotting an area of their business they should be spending less money on. No one likes sitting down surrounded by receipts and reams of paper. It's boring, inefficient, you're prone to mistakes. This course shows you how to effectively use QuickBooks so you can increase your bottom line